Well, Tommy has proposed to me. Again. Tommy really does nothing but propose to me. He proposed to me last night in the music room when I was quite unprotected as there was an elaborate trio going on. I didn't dare to make the smallest repartee. I need hardly tell you. If I had, it would have stopped music at once. Musical people are so absurdly unreasonable. They always want one to be perfectly dumb at the very moment when one is longing to be absolutely deaf. And then he proposed to me in the broad daylight this morning in front of that dreadful statue of Achilles. Really, things go in front of that work of art are quite appalling. The police should interfere. At luncheon, I saw by the glare in his eye that he was going to propose me again. Tommy was crushed by that observation for 10 minutes. He was quite shocked. But Tommy is so annoying in the way he proposes. If he proposed at the top of his voice, I would not have mind so much. It might produce some effect on the public, but he does it in a horrid confidential way. When Tommy wants to be romantic, he talks to one just like a doctor. I am very fond of Tommy, but his method of proposing are quite out of date. And I wish, Gertrude, you would speak to him and tell him that once a week is quite often enough to propose anyone. And it should be done in a manner that it always attracts someone's attention